Ing tutuking programa, mituringan niyang rated PG. Kailangan ing patnube at gabeding pengari para karing kayanakan amanalbe.
Kabalen, kakaluguran at kapatad, kumusta kayo po? I am definitely back and it's my turn to go solo flight this time. Balwan nyo po, eta mo alingad na karas keng larangan na nimpa magluto, maski kapilan, elamitawli, reng kapampangan. And for this particular episode, which I might call sweet and mouth-watering episode, literally and figuratively, allow me to present to you a young kapampangan who is slowly but steadily making a name for himself in Auckland, New Zealand. Meto niya pong kapampangan chef, anak ya pa mo po yung i-feature tamo, and I'm definitely sure this is one inspiring episode, lalong-lalo na kareng kayanakan na mahilig keng pamagluto. Anya, nano pa po yung kagawa nyo, tukmangan nyo na pa yung obray ngayon. Join me here at Teaspoon Cafe, keni keng Philam Friendship Highway, keng Barangay Kutkut, keni keng Angeles City. Bali naman po, may ayaliwaman ng lupa, may ayaliwaman ng storya, may ayaliwaman ng paninap, pero may itong mu ing dengalan. At yan, ing panga kapampangan. At manibatan mo yan po, keng kayabe yung mismo rin Hepte Castro, at ing kayantabe yung Mama Ray Yumang, keni mo keng personalan.